We are going to start next chapter, that is random variables and probability distribution. First of all, we'll see what is a random variable. Suppose S is sample space of a random experiment, then any function x such that x maps S to R is called a random variable. So this random variable is a function. Let S be a sample space and x map S to R be a random variable. The function defined from f maps R to R defined by f of x is equal to probability of x less than or equal to x, that is called probability distribution function of the random variable x. If x maps S to R is a discrete random variable with range x1, x2, x3 so on, then summation r is equal to 1 to infinity p of x is equal to xr is equal to 1. This indicates that sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. In the next part we have, let x maps S to R be a discrete random variable with range x1, x2, x3 and so on. Then if summation xr into p into x is equal to xr exists, then summation xr into p into x is equal to xr is called mean of the random variable x. It is denoted by mu or x bar. While doing problems, how to calculate you will understand better. If sigma xr minus mu whole square into p x is equal to xr exists, then this is called variance. The square root of variance is called standard deviation. It is denoted by sigma. That's about the mean and variance. When we do the problems, you will understand how this is applied better. Next we have what is called as binomial distribution. Let n be a positive integer and p be a real number such that p lies between 0 and 1. A random variable x with range 0, 1, 2, 3 so on till n is said to follow binomial distribution or Bernoulli distribution with parameters n and p if p of x is equal to r is NCR p power r q power n minus r, where r values starts from 0 to n, q is equal to 1 minus p. Here mean mu is equal to np, variance sigma square is equal to npq. N and p are the parameters of binomial distribution. So this is about the binomial distribution. Next we have a second kind of distribution called Poisson distribution. We will see what is it. The next distribution that you have is Poisson distribution. Here let lambda greater than 0 be a real number. A random variable x with range 0, 1, 2 is said to follow Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. If p of x is equal to r, e power minus lambda, lambda power r by r factorial. For r is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Its mean is lambda, variance is also lambda, its parameter is lambda. When we work out problems, you will understand how we are using this Poisson distribution. Let us discuss a problem now. The next problem that we have, first problem. You are given x is equal to x minus x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. P of x is equal to x values are 0.1 k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3 k. This is the probability distribution of random variable x. You have to find the value of k and variance of x. First of all, we know that sum of probabilities is equal to 1. That is 0.1 plus k plus 0.2 plus 2k plus 0.3 plus k is equal to 1. Add all k like terms, k, 2k, this is 3k plus k, 4k plus 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, which is 0.6, that is equal to 1. 4k is equal to 1 minus 0.6. 4k is equal to 0.4. k is equal to 0.1. Mean, how to find mean is you have to multiply these two and add. So minus 2 into 0.1 plus minus 1 into k plus 0 into 0.2 plus 1.2 into k, 1 into 2k, not 1.2, 1 into 2k, 2 into 0.3 plus 3k. So here you have minus 0.2 minus k plus 0 plus 1 into 2k, that is 2k, plus 0.6 plus 3k. So here you have 3k plus 2k, 4k minus 5k minus k is 4k, 0.6 minus 0.2 is 0.4. Now k value is 0.1, so we have to write 4 into 0.1 plus 0.4. 4 into 0.1 is 0.4 plus 0.4 is 0.8. So mean mu is equal to 0.8. Now variance formula is sigma square, that is equal to summation xi square p into x is equal to xi minus mu square. How to multiply this is minus 2 square into 0.1, minus 1 square into k, 0 square into 0.2, 1 square into 2k, 2 square into 0.3, 3 square into k minus mu square. Minus mu square will be 0.8 whole square. So multiply all these numbers, 4 into 0.1, 0.4, k, 0, 1 into 2k, 2k, plus 4 into 0.3, plus 9k minus mu square. Add the values, you will have 2k plus k, 3k, and this is 4 into 0.3 is 1.2. If you add up everything, here you have 9k, so you will get altogether 12k plus 0.4 plus 1.2 minus k value is 0.1. So here you have 12k anyway, so that will be 0.4, and this is 4 into 0.3, which will give you 1.2, minus mu value is 0.8, so you get 0.8 whole square. Here you have 12 into 0.4 plus 1.2 is 1.6, minus this is nothing but 0.64. If you multiply 0.8 into 0.8, you will get 0.64. So here 12 into 0.1 is 1.2 plus 1.6 minus 0.64. Add these two, 2.8 minus 0.64, that will give you 2.16. Therefore, the variance here is 2.16. Our next problem for today, if x is equal to x, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, p of x is equal to x, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9 is a probability distribution of a random variable x. Find the variance of x. Before finding the variance of x, you have to find the mean mu, that is this into this plus this into this into this, 0 into 1 by 3 plus 1 into 1 by 9 plus 2 into 1 by 9 plus 3 into 1 by 9. This is minus 3 by 9, minus 2 by 9, minus 1 by 9, 0, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, plus 1 by 9, minus 1 by 9 cancel, plus 2 by 9, minus 2 by 9 cancel, plus 3 by 9, minus 3 by 9 gets cancelled, you have 0. Variance sigma square is equal to minus 3 whole square into 1 by 9 plus minus 2 whole square into 1 by 9 plus minus 1 whole square into 1 by 9 plus 0 square into 1 by 9 plus 1 square into 1 by 9 plus 2 square into 1 by 9 plus 3 square into 1 by 9 minus mu square. Mu is 0 anyway. Here you get 3 square is 9 by 9, 2 square 4 by 9, minus 1 square into 1 by 9 plus 0 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9 plus 9 by 9. This is what you get. To add all this, 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 9 by 9, that is 28 by 9 minus 0, which is equal to 28 by 9. That is the variance.